Do you want to create text to video or photo to video but you don't know how to do it for free? Then this video is for you. Hey everyone, I believe you are doing great. In this video I will tell you how you can create free of cost photo to videos or text to video with a new tool. So let's start the video. First of all, open your computer browser, then search to movie AI. Then you will see the first website. Open this website in new tab. Here we go. Then you will see this kind of page. Sign up your account. Then you will see this kind of option. Click on create account. Then you will see this kind of page. Enter your email ID. Then enter password. And then click on create account. Then this website will send you a code on your email address. Open your email address and copy the code and paste it here. Then this website will start processing and will create your account. After creating account, you will see this kind of page. Select one of them option. Again select one option from these options, and that's it. Your account has been created. Now you will see the options on left hand side. You can see the image generation option and the video generation option. So click on video generation option. Then you will see this kind of page. Here you can create two type of videos, image to video and text to video. Firstly, I will create video from my image. Click on image, select the image. Here we go. You can also add prompt as well. And after entering the prompt, click on generate. Then processing will start. Here we go. So our video has been generated. Now we will play the video. Here we go. And you can see the quality of the video is so good. It's clean and it's in very good quality. And you can also download this video from here. Now we will try the next option, which is text to video. I will enter the prompt, or you can create prompt from ChatGPT as well. And you can also select aspect ratio as well. And you can also select you want to create video without sound or you want to create video with sound. I am selecting video with sound, and after that click on generate, and then processing will start. You have to wait for a while. Video has been created and now we will play the video. Here we go. The quality of the video is very good. We can also extend the video with this website, and now we can also download the video. So friends, this is how you can create free image to video and text to video with simple tool and simple steps. I believe you learned something new from my video. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe my channel and click on the notification bell as well. See you in the next video. Take care.